Hi guys, if you're new here, my name is Dami. Welcome to my channel. Let's talk, my people, because it's that time of the year again. We all know that the dirty December season is upon us, and this is when makeup artists start getting booking back to back. So let's have a real chat. Today's topic is all about pricing. The serious question is, do you increase your prices because makeup is in high demand this period? Or do you reduce them so your clients can pick you over the more expensive makeup artists? Should you start buying high-end products now that the IJGBs are coming home and there will be plenty of events, plenty parties, just so that you can deliver and attract more clients? Now, I'm one of those few makeup artists who honestly don't care how much you charge for your makeup. It's your business and you should know how to run it. But where I do have a problem is when some of you focus so much on content creation, visibility, and aesthetics and forget that makeup is actually a business. First of all, please let's be clear. There is absolutely nothing wrong with you increasing your price during the festive period. I mean, everything is expensive right now. Products are expensive, transport, even light bills. So if your costs have gone up, it only makes sense to adjust your prices. But where the problem starts is when you're increasing your price just because everyone else is doing it without checking if your value or your service experience has improved. If you're going to increase your price, at least make sure your setup, your customer service, and your product quality reflects that new price. Clients will pay more when they see the difference. Now, for those who want to reduce their price to attract clients, sis, please think twice. You might get more bookings, yes, but at what cost? You end up working twice as hard and making little to no profit, and that's not even sustainable. And then there is the temptation to start stocking your kit with high-end luxury products just because it's dirty December and the IJGBs are around. You don't need to run your business like a bridal makeup artist that's charging 200,000 or 250,000 per face if your rate is 25,000 naira. As a business owner, your goal should be to make profit. So please tell me why, as someone charging 20,000 naira or 25,000 naira for a studio working, you're stocking your kit with Huda Beauty foundation of 80,000 naira or Born Pretty concealer that I think they're selling like 70,000 or more. You are filling up your kit with the same product that bridal makeup artists that are charging 200,000 or 250k or even 400k and above are using, and you still want to collect 20,000 naira. Or you will say that you don't know that in this Lagos, some makeup artists are charging 400,000 naira for party guests, too, not even people that are doing wedding. And you want to buy the same products and you still come and charge the clients 20,000 naira or 40,000 naira. If you're not new here, you already know that I always say this. It's okay to look up to big makeup artists or have mentors in the industry, but never forget who you are and never compare your journey with those makeup artists' journey. I always say these things. You've probably paid for a class, maybe an online class or like a physical class. The makeup artist will obviously teach you with their favorite products, and most times these products are high-end products, or let's say like they're foreign brands. Those who even teach with Nigerian brands, about 70% of them are influencing for those brands, and they got these products for free. They might show you in that class, but it does not mean that they are using the same products for their clients or their brides. I'm not saying that all of them are dishonest though, but what I'm saying is that you need to do your own research. You can't just buy a product because your favorite makeup artist has used it or they're showing you in the video that that's what they're using, and next thing you go to the market and you start buying all these products. As for me, I've never influenced for any brand. I don't even do PR. So in this makeup industry, I'm on my lane. I have very few colleagues that I talk to, maybe like 5 of them. So when I show you products in my videos, just know that I bought this product with my money and I'm not influencing. But I can't say the same for, every other makeup artist out there. That's why it's always very, even if if I show you the products, still do your research and, just know what works for you. Now, this video is very important because we're in the Ember months. We are even in November now, and everyone knows that this is the cash out season for makeup artists. I know some of you will break your savings just to buy high-end products this period because you want to impress clients. I always tell my students that the overall appearance or longevity of makeup is 60% your skill, 20% your client's skin, and 20% the products that you use. Let me just break it down for you guys. 60% your skill, because your technique is what makes the biggest difference. How you prep the skin, how you blend, how you layer and set products, how you match undertones. The truth is, two makeup artists can use the exact same product and get completely different results because your skill determines how products perform. And that's the truth. Now, 20% your client's skin, because the condition of the skin also plays a huge role in how makeup looks and how makeup lasts. Now, dry, oily, or textured skin will all hold makeup differently. A well hydrated and exfoliated face makes even average products look great, but bad skin prep or compromised skin barrier can ruin the finish of even luxury products. That's why you often hear makeup is only as good as the skin underneath. Now, 20% the products, because good quality products matter. They make application smoother, blending easier, and longevity better, but without skill or a good base, they won't perform their best. Even affordable Nigerian brands can produce beautiful results if the artists know what they're doing. Don't get me wrong, high-end products definitely make a difference, but know when it's time for them, and don't think you can't achieve a flawless, long-lasting face beat without them. Just make sure you buy quality products, and yes, quality can be affordable and not cheap. Before you buy any product, understand what it's meant to do. Don't just buy it because your favorite is using it. Buy it because it fits into your technique, it fits into your climate, and also consider your client's skin type. You can't keep charging 20,000 naira and you are buying 80,000 naira products and you expect to grow. Know your profit margin, spend wisely, and grow gradually. Your kit will evolve as your business is growing. You cannot be spending money as if you have, another source of income, except you have Sha. But if you know that it's this makeup that you want to do, and it's from this makeup that you want to make money, you have to be wise. Most makeup artists that you see, they have other businesses that they do. Even those of them that you don't see buying and selling online. Most of these makeup artists make money from studio working, they take bridal jobs, they have students that they train, they do online classes, they influence for brands, they make money from all these things. So you just want to sit there now, you'll be comparing yourself to them. Even me that I'm talking to you guys, I have other ways that I make money. It's not just makeup. So even if I don't make money from makeup, I can take money from my other businesses that are doing very well and buy all these big brands just because I want to come and impress you guys online. But it's going to be something that is not wise to do. It doesn't mean that other people are not doing it. For me, I just have a rule that makeup is going to spend its own money. It is whatever money that I make from my makeup business that I'm going to put back into the business with my own profit. I'm not going to take my money from my other businesses and then I'll now be investing into makeup, buying big products. Nah, it doesn't work like that. Makeup will spend its own money. The other businesses that I do, to whatever money or profit I make from that one is also going into that business. I'm not going to be using one to fix another. If the makeup one, if I can afford to just buy like Nigerian brands, I'm going to use it. I will not take money from my other business to buy high-end products. I'm not going to do it. All the products I'm using in this video are Nigerian brands. They are not like the 1,000 or 2,000 naira type soap, but they're still affordable. Instead of spending 80,000 naira on one foundation, you can buy up to 5 for less than 50,000 naira. You guys just need to be wise. We have amazing Nigerian brands, even some foreign brands that are very affordable. They do the job. They perform beautifully and they are long lasting. They are skin friendly and they are perfect for our weather. Support your own. Buy affordable products, test them and see what works best for you. Don't just be following everything that you see online. The truth is that some of you upcoming makeup artists are doing really well. You are good at your craft. Your main issue is just comparison. You like comparing yourself to others and you forget to focus on your own growth. You always forget that this thing, it is you versus you. Your today just has to be better than your yesterday. Because if you keep following everything you see online, you will just go astray. Don't let people use you to build their own wealth. Because you guys should even be honest. If those makeup artists don't hype their classes, you won't pay for it. And when you pay for those classes, that's income for them. Sometimes you don't even need those classes because tutorials are everywhere. You guys are paying for classes, how to do makeup, how to draw brows, light setup, how to edit on CapCut. Wait, there are tutorials everywhere on YouTube, on TikTok. On TikTok, there are tutorials everywhere on TikTok. There is nothing that they will tell you in all those classes that you pay for that you can't learn online. But some of you, once you see that a makeup artist is trending like this, you will start to farm them. And then you begin to doubt yourself. The moment they drop a class flyer by, you will rush and go and pay for the class. The same money that you're supposed to use to buy product or even feed, you will now spend it on a class. Then after this class, you will still have to practice. So you will still have to buy more products, and all these things you have to do by yourself, because the makeup artist will not hold your brush for you. You will still need to figure these things out on your own. Have you not noticed that most big makeup artists, they work on models that are already fine, models that have smooth skin and they have perfect facial features? Some of them even insist that you must wear contact lenses before they do your makeup. All this is part of what makes the final look flawless. It's not just the product or the techniques. Let's be real, a client who can afford to pay a makeup artist 150,000 or 200,000 and above as a party guest in this economy is comfortable, and not everyone can afford that. That's why we have different makeup artists catering to different classes. You can't be catering to middle or low class clients and you still want to buy the same products that a makeup artist working with high profile clients is using. How will you make profits like that? I'm not shading anyone, no, but that's just the reality. You can't be in Ayobo and you want to charge the same as someone who has a studio in Ikoyi or Lekki or even Ikeja. And even if you want to take clients in those areas for home service, for those of you that truly want to make profit though, you will need to charge at least double what a makeup artist around that area would normally charge. So I'm saying all this to say that yes, the makeup industry is tougher now, but if you stay in your lane, you stay focused and you know what you're doing, you will still make it. Don't get carried away by trends. Grow at your own pace, master your craft, and stay focused. You're doing better than you think. And remember this, affordable does not mean basic, and skill always speak louder than brand names. The goal this season is not to look expensive as a makeup artist. The goal this season is to be profitable. I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the tutorial. All products used will be listed in the description box. Please don't forget to like, drop a comment, and of course subscribe if you have not. Join the family, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing.